Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I made a few notes today of things that I mustn't forget to tell you. So, firstly, I've done an updated willow square tutorial. Don't know if I told you this already, probably somewhere along the line, but that will be up tomorrow. I was going to do it today, but I did a yarn of the week. I actually did 4 yarns of the week today, and an open with me. And I filmed another one, and I've got confused as to what's coming up and when, really, but maybe I haven't scheduled the other one yet. But yeah, I ordered from Gems TV, so that will get unboxed over on Rocksteady. If you haven't already subscribed over there on Rocksteady, there's a link in the description box, as well as a link to my shop and all the stuff, you know. A few tutorials in there, not all of them. Left ones, right ones, you know. And so that's all of those. Now the kind of biggest thing. A few of you have said to me, and we'd already downloaded it and had it in the planner ready to watch, but a few of you said, watch Jason Statham, the beekeeper. But I don't think you realised that when I watched the beekeeper, suddenly I saw where I live, because they filmed a couple of segments here, and I can remember them shutting the road to film that Jason Statham's film was being filmed there. And so we have a bit of an iconic bridge. It goes up when when ships come along, or boats, you know. If they've got a bit of a tall mast, it goes up. And it depends how big they are. It either goes all the way up, or it just goes a little way. It broke a little while ago, caused havoc. But anyway, I filmed on that bridge. I did an out and about, and it's called the King's Ferry Bridge. So one of my videos over on Rocksteady is my out and about of King's Ferry Bridge. And as we were going to film all around there, because there's a bit of an estuary sort of thing. And boats are there, and there's a jet ski area and that sort of thing, but a lot of wilderness. So we were going to film just walking around, but as we approached the bridge, the lights went, the barrier came up, and we were actually at the front of the queue as the bridge went up. So I filmed the whole thing, and I thought, you know, that's kind of interesting. I'll film the whole thing. So I filmed the bridge going up and the bridge going down, and then I filmed our walk. It's usually people get out of their cars and walk to the front, but we were actually right up the front. I've never been front car before, anyway, in all the years that my parents came here and we've come here. So anyway, it's been in another thing. There was a drama not so long ago where they used the bridge. They used it to push someone off. You know, I think it was a car. A woman and her kids went off, and she was accused of killing them. I can't remember the name of that one now, but it was a British drama. So whether the American, like the film people, whoever doing the film, saw that and thought, I'd want to film there. So, yeah, Jason Statham did something on that bridge. And I won't give it away, but when you get to the bit where he's on the bridge and he does something to somebody, that's here. It's pretending to be America, but it's not. I wish it was as easy as going to that bridge to get to America. I'd go shopping. I'd go to Joann's, which is, you know, obviously in trouble at the moment, but I'd go to Michael's and I'd go to Walmart and I'd get me some Lion brand yarn. Yeah, I'd get some of that Premier Fable if I could go and get some Premier yarn. I really want some Premier Fable. That looks so lush. Anyway, so yeah, it's our bridge. And I filmed a couple of segments on it. It was like watching them, like, hang on. I was like, we're watching the film. I went, that's our bridge. And then we suddenly remembered, like last year or whenever it was, They completely closed the bridge to film it. It was all in the papers, like Kent online newspaper, and in our locals and everything else. Yeah, how bizarre. I didn't expect that. I mean, I couldn't remember what film they'd made it for, or filmed it for, should I say. But then all of a sudden you're watching it and you go like, huh? That's not America. That's here. It's just up the road, you know. Oh, so how strange is that? So yeah, I thought I must write that one down. Otherwise I will forget to tell you. See, my little Grogu thing is they come in handy for little messages. The funny thing was, though, last night I wrote that down and something else on a piece of paper and I lost it. I can't find it anywhere and I don't know where it was. So I have no idea if there was something else I was going to tell you. Oh well. Note to self, if you're going to write a note to yourself, make sure you know where the note is. It's as bad as going shopping and leaving your shopping list at home like I always do. But yeah, I can't believe that. Beekeeper was pretty good, actually. It was typical Jason Statham, you know. But yeah, can't believe that. It's like, wait, hang on a minute. That's not America. That's the Isle of Sheppey. Oh dear. Anyway, let's see what it is. You know you're old when. I think I got to the end of this one. I've lost my neck. Right? Oh my God. Seriously. If it wasn't so tragic, it would be funny. No, that's the lean over, pick something up, which we went into yesterday. You know you're old when you use valet parking to avoid losing your car. That is a thing though, isn't it, in car parks sometimes. You don't make a note of where you were when you've got out of it. And you're faced with the gigantic car park and you think, where is it? You know. It's worse when you can't remember parking it on a street or something and what street it was. But that doesn't happen very often. But it's usually car parks for me. I sort of go and I go, oh. Especially if you go to like a big shopping centre and you don't even remember which kind of, they've all got like zones, haven't they? Like orange zone level 3. And if you don't take a note of that, you could be wandering around all night looking for it. So, yeah. That's the only time I lose my car. Luckily, Gary's is quite tall, so we can spot it. Usually we just go look for the big red one. Oh, there it is. Because it's bright red and it's quite tall. Mine's not short and squatty and it sort of gets, what's the word I'm looking for? Camouflaged quite a lot. Okay, so here we go. Oh, what's this, I wonder? We've got those funny little helpers for that woman who's a mechanic, I think. I can't remember their names. I don't remember them all. I don't remember all their names. I like the way she has a go at them all the time, though, because they're, you know, and it's like they've got, they're sentient, you know. It's a good word, isn't it? So today, what did I do today? Okay, I filmed, because this is yesterday. I'm going to do that again. It's Monday for me, Tuesday for you. So yeah, what I did, this is the afternoon. Gary is now home and my dinner is cooking. So today I made some boiled ham and Gary likes it boiled. My mum used to do boiled ham. I kind of roasted hams a few times, but they can be very salty. But Gary likes to boil them and he usually makes really lovely soup with what's, you know, the gravy. But we can't have that now because we can't have the rest of the ingredients. So got to throw it away, sadly. So I've done chicken and ham. I love those two things together. And we've got broccoli and sweet corn. Well, baby sweet corn. And then once I've done that, I've got to cook his stuff for work. So, but yeah. And earlier on, I made a yarn of the week video. And I got on with a blanket, which is now quite a size. I'd say I'm over halfway through now. Or halfway, something like that. It's quite big. Maybe like, I'd say almost 3/4, getting on for. So I just sort of put something on the TV that I've seen a million times before, like Jack Bauer. And then I get on with it. And yeah, it's coming on. So as soon as I've finished it, I will do a tutorial for that. But so I think tomorrow will be the willow square tutorial will pop up. I've got a bit of a sore eye. I don't know what it is, but I've got like it looks like a chilblain under my eye there. It's not a sty because it looks like dry, very dry skin. Now the creams that I've got, that I've been given for, you know, when I had it there, it looks like I should use that, but obviously it's right near your eye and I don't know whether to, but I really don't want to make an appointment for the doctor just to see some red patch on your eye. It's such a kerfuffle going to the doctor. But you know, you feel like it needs to be something more meaty to take the doctor, you know, to take yourself to the doctors, to intrude upon them, sort of thing. It's like, oh, I've got a patch on my eye, you know. It's just like, I wish pharmacists were a little bit more able to say, oh yes, I know what that is, I'll prescribe you this, and you could just go up to the chemist and get it done. That'd be so cool. But no, can't be that quick, that easy. So yeah, I'm carrying on with my swatches as well. So I'm doing the Aldi swatches. Obviously I've got a lot of things on my hook at this precise moment in time. Gosh, that's it. Oh, that sounded rather posh. Gosh, oh gosh, golly gosh. Guess what? I just got a message from Jane. Her parcel arrived. She's got my hats. She said, I'm just about to open it. But then I didn't get another one to say they fit or they don't. So, yeah, she got it. It's there. And she's got one of my new envelopes. I will show you. Oh, she has replied. Oh, she's put them on. Oh, bless her. Here are a few pics. I look awful, but the beanies are beautiful. They all fit nice. Oh, isn't that cool? She's got 4 of them. The first 2 just melt in my head and fit nice. Oh, they all fit her. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, she sent me so many messages. Hundreds of them, in fact. But there you go. There's the package. It arrived. Look at that. She got it. I'll read all of those in a moment. I'm sure she doesn't really want me to read them all out on there, but cool. I'm so glad she got them, you know. I started to think that there's people all over wherever wearing my hats. She hasn't, I don't know if she showed me Jim wearing his hat. I did send one for him. I didn't want him to feel left out, so I sent him a hat. I can't make Gary hats. He doesn't really want to wear them. If I don't know, maybe I can try and make one, but he's so fussy. You know, maybe I could knit him a hat, I don't know. But, you know, he is very fussy about where it comes down to on his ears. Because obviously he has a hearing aid, so if anything touches it, it will whistle. So, you know, he wears hats in a certain way. He certainly can't wear those modern ones that come right down. It's just, you know, you see a lot of the guys where it's a no-no for Gary, unfortunately. But I'm so glad that she got them. I'm so relieved that she got them. So I just got to do a tutorial for him now. But I should have made the tutorial before I sent them, but that I didn't know if they'd fit. But now I know they fit. But the one that I started seems so big. I don't know if it's right or not. But I was worried because when she said about her head circumference and the distance from there to there, I felt like mine was larger. But looking at the pictures, they fit quite nice. So yeah. Cool. So she got my hats, and I know someone else messaged me the other day, Deb, saying that she's going to make her some more and send them off. And I think she got some from Sylvia as well. Let me see. I did see a name pop up. Let me just see. So yeah, it took 2 weeks for Sylvia's to arrive, and mine took 28 days, and yet they both come from the same place. It's just weird. It's just, maybe they were inspecting it. But none were inspected at customs. Perhaps they just like looking at my pretty packaging, I don't know. Bit strange. Well, so yeah. I'm really happy now that she's got that. That was a a weight off my mind, really, because I thought, you know, all those hats that I made. And I made one from the Stylecraft, what's it called? The cotton one. The really, really ultra uber soft. It's Savannah, that's it. I made one from the Savannah because I'd used a ball to swatch up to show you what Savannah looked like. And I thought, well, that's just pointless. I'll unravel that and I'll make her a hat. So one of them was the Stylecraft Savannah, which is really sumptuous, lovely, sort of soft yarn. So I didn't want that one to get lost. Or any of them, to be honest with you. But some of the yarn came all the way from America. So it was the Feels Like Heaven. So I bought that from America. It arrived here and then it got sent off, made and sent off to Canada. It's all over the world. Goodness gracious. Anyway, I don't think there is one other thing that I need to tell you that was on that piece of paper, but heaven knows what it was. I haven't got a Scooby. I'll probably find that piece of paper and then think, well, I'll bring that up tomorrow, then lose the piece of paper. This will go on. It will run and run. So I've got to go and get on with dinner because I left my veggies cooking while they'd just come to the boil and I turned them down. So I've left them on a simmer. And I don't want them to, I don't want to boil the guts out of them, as my mother would say. Gary doesn't like them. I don't like them hard, you know. I would eat them soft rather than hard, but I like them on that when they're just turning soft, you know, so they're a little bit firm. And so I'm trying to get them there rather than splat, basically. And I've got to get the chicken out the Ninja. Okay, thank you for watching. And wow, I can't believe this. I just did a video saying that I had 17,000 subscribers, and at this point in time I noticed before I came in that I've got 17,423, so I'm almost at 17.5. I might hit that tomorrow. Wow, you never know, or Wednesday when I would be doing my hump day giveaway anyway. So it is just totally bowling me over, to be honest. It is. It's fabulous. It's given me such a new lease of life and interest, you know. It's kind of renewed my spark. If I ever had one, that is. So yeah, thanks for watching. And don't forget, if you're one of my newbies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell when I do one of these enthralling chats every day. Yeah. Anyway, take care. I'll see you on the next one. I've got more yarn coming as well. 2 orders coming and 1 already on its way. I know. Check me out. Got lots to show you soon. Bye for now.